CBN give banks deadline to refund fraud victims as Yahoo crime increase across Nigeria. This na CenokMedia, the channel where they report the news and they make am simple for everybody to understand. We dey thank una when they view us. Abeg subscribe if you never do so. Put on your notification button. E go tell you once we drop updates. Make you like, comment, and share our video. My people, I greet una once again and welcome to another correct breakdown where you go touch your money matter directly. Today's story na one wey concern every bank customer for Nigeria. Whether you dey use Access Bank, Zenith, UBA, GTB, or any other one, because CBN don finally land strong directive wey go change the way banks dey respond to fraud, unauthorized debits, and Yahoo related transactions. Make we enter the full gist gently. The Central Bank of Nigeria under Governor Olayemi Cardoso don issue warning give all commercial banks. The message dey clear: refund fraud victims quickly, no delay, no excuse. CBN tok say dem don receive too many complaints from Nigerians wey money dey disappear from their account without authorization. Some cases na SIM swap fraud, some na online hacks, some na internal compromise, some na clear negligence from bank customer service teams wey no respond on time. Cardoso say this pattern no fit continue. For the last few months, Yahoo activities and cyber fraud don rise seriously. People dey wake up see debit wey dem no approve. Banks go talk we dey investigate for months, but refund no go show. CBN review many of the cases and discover say banks dey delay refund unnecessarily. Many customer complaints dey ignored. Some banks no dey follow proper fraud monitoring process, and victims dey suffer for something wey no be their fault. So Cardoso and im team decide say the system must change immediately. CBN give banks strict timelines to handle fraud complaints. If customer raise issue, bank must respond immediately. Investigation no suppose take forever. If bank no fit prove say the customer do mistake, bank must refund. If bank delay refund without good reason, CBN go sanction am. This one no be gentle advice, na mandate. The directive cover all commercial banks, including Access Bank, Zenith Bank, UBA, GTB, First Bank, Sterling, FCMB, Wema, and the rest. Nobody get exemption. How this one now take affect ordinary Nigerians? If your money vanish from your account, you fit get refund faster. No need to dey beg customer service. Banks no go tell you story for 2 months. CBN don become referee wey dey watch every case closely. E mean say security for your banking experience go improve. The rise of Yahoo related activities don make CBN tighten digital transaction rules. Dem dey work with financial tech companies, mobile networks, and law enforcement to track suspicious flows. Cardoso tok say if banks fail to block fraudulent transactions early, dem go bear the financial cost, meaning if banks sleep, dem go pay. Sources for banking sector tok say many banks don already begin internal meetings because nobody wan face CBN penalty. Some banks don even adjust their refund timelines from 30 days to 5 to 7 working days. Some don upgrade fraud monitoring tools. Some dey lay off staff wey dey frustrate customers. Wetin customers suppose do now? To protect yourself, activate two-factor authentication. Not put bank details for social media. Check your alerts regularly. Report suspicious activities immediately. Not click unknown links. But most importantly, if debit hits you without reason, report am immediately and follow up. CBN don now back you strongly. Why this directive makes sense? This policy reduce customer frustration, increase trust for banking system. E stop banks from forming investigation wey no dey go anywhere. E dey protect millions of Nigerians. E dey reduce financial loss from cybercrime. and na one of the strongest consumer protection moves wey CBN don do recently. Many Nigerians share their experience. One woman lose 550,000 naira through unauthorized POS transaction. Bank promise refund after investigation. 1 month don pass, nothing. Another young man reports 72,000 naira debit. Nobody answer am for 3 weeks. One elderly man lose pension funds through online phishing. CBN review these kinds of cases and confirm say the system dey too slow and too frustrating. Wetin go come happen if bank disobey? CBN get power to fine the bank heavily, to suspend certain banking services, to cancel transaction approvals, to summon the bank MD, and to enforce mandatory refund. So banks no fit ignore this directive. Cardoso say banks exist to protect the funds of Nigerians. Any institution wey no go fit guarantee this one go face consequences. This message loud and clear. Nobody go pretend say dem no hear am. One big part wey people never talk be say this CBN directive fit restore trust for banking system. Many Nigerians don begin fear keep money for bank because of sudden debit stories and long investigation delays. This new move fit slow down that crisis of confidence, especially for rural areas where people don dey return to cash-only lifestyle because dem no trust digital banking again. Another angle be say most Nigerian banks no get enough trained cybersecurity professionals. CBN deadline fit force banks to start hiring better experts, upgrade software, and even partner with global security firms. This will mean new job opportunities and a serious shakeup inside IT departments. Some fraud cases dey happen because of insiders. CBN new deadline go expose internal collaborators because banks no fit drag investigation again. If refund suppose come and bank no fit explain the fraud source, internal audit people go face fire. E fit lead to heavy staff cleanup. No be only big banks go feel am. Fintech apps, Kuda, Opay, Palmpay go enter the radar because dem dey handle millions of microtransactions. If dem not tighten verification and monitoring, dem fit face sanctions too. Most unauthorized debits dey happen after SIM swap. CBN deadline go force telecom companies to cooperate faster with banks. We fit soon see a joint CBN NCC digital verification system wey go make SIM replacement harder for criminals. So my people, as Yahoo crime dey rise and digital threats dey increase, CBN don finally stand gidigba behind Nigerians. The question now be banks go obey or dem go wait make CBN land punishment? Make una drop una thoughts for the comment section. And remember, stay alert, protect your money, and always verify every debit.